Hi guys, this is Fiona. Welcome to Clockify tutorial 101. This Clockify is a time tracking tool which is simple and user-friendly. On its homepage, you can create a new project by clicking here. You could either choose a previous existing project name, or just simply create a new project. And let's just start tracking our time right now. You could also add tags. This is helpful for future searching. And you could also choose whether this project is billable or not. There's also a really cool function. I think it's if you are creating a new project, which is exactly same as the previous ones, you could just simply click this icon. See, and it will continue continue recording your time. And under this dashboard, you could get summaries of your projects. You could also change dates to see different times of the projects. And you have the option to choose whether to view only your projects or the team's project. You could also create a new project under projects, and you could also add a filter and search by description. This will be a very useful function when you have tons of different projects. And under teams, you could add new team members and change their access to the projects by clicking here. You could also write your rate, which I think is pretty innovative. And you could change how you want the time formatted, or who can create new projects and clients by simply just adjusting the settings. You could also add tags and put the tags when you create a new project, and also add new clients. Okay, so this is pretty much about Clockify. Welcome to use this simple and user-friendly time tracking tool.